Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here and root of a. We have a to the power of 1 over n. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we compare the power of 1 over 3 is higher than 1 over 5. So in this situation, we need to divide by x to the power of 1 over 3 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one we need to go to the denominator. So we have the second formula in here. So we put this one cone here and we have x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. Similar for the second one. So we calculate this one and we have 2 over 15. Similar for this one. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.